How to create an account on Pulse. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create an account on Pulse. So to do that, first of all, download the Pulse app from either your Play Store or your App Store. And once you've downloaded the app, simply open it. Now your interface will look somewhat like this, where you'll have to basically tap on the next tab, which is in the bottom right corner of your screen. Simply tap it 3 times and then tap on the option Get Started. Now you'll have to find your school or institution. So simply enter your school or institution and search for it. Now tap on your school or institution and then simply log into your school or institution. Now, as soon as you do that, you will have successfully logged in or signed into your Pulse account. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.